Guys, back here with another small review, and I want to show you today how you can very easily use your Xbox 360 controller on the Nexus Player. So this is the Asus Nexus Player. You get it, I think, only on the Google Store. Very easy, because I just thought, okay, I'll give it a shot, I'll give it try, connect my Xbox 360 controller, see what it does, and bam, it works. No special tools, no configuration, nothing, just works. All you need is like this little micro USB to USB connector, and I'm talking about the wireless version of the Xbox 360 controller. So if you have this wireless adapter, you plug that in, and you get this in the back. Somehow, there you go. And you see this is already on. And we switch on the 360 controller. Wow. Show you my screen. Maybe. Hope you can see it. Go on some games. I had the 360 controller paired with this wireless adapter before, so I didn't have to do that. Don't know if it's relevant that you do that before on a PC. Haven't tried that. Jump it. Come on. There we go. Works really nice. Watch me fail. Yeah, that's it. Works really nice. Okay, one more. Okay, I missed that. Yeah, so it works really nicely. I actually didn't know about it, I just tried it. I tried it with the Xbox One controller, and that didn't work at all. No connection at all, but this works so nicely. Okay. Cheers guys, thank you for watching.